past 2 to 3 days have been very busy. Ang dami kong ginawa like schoolwork, and then workshop, and then another job na ginagawa ko pa. Fortunately, natapos na ako sa workshop. I'm so happy. I did really well sa workshop. And then, natapos na rin ako dun sa isang seasonal work that I'm doing just last Monday. And then, so ngayon, ang focus ko na lang, closing up the school year, making sure that we got it covered for the kids para hindi sila mahirapan next school year. So, since wala kaming pasok ngayon, wala akong pasok ngayon, wala kaming meeting, magme-me time lang muna ako. Maghanap ako ng coffee shop. Try ko mag-coffee shop hopping. And then, or maghanap ng coffee shop to recuperate, siguro me time, reflect, mag-journal a bit, and then magtrabaho at mag-check ng papers. Isa pa! 1, 2, 3! Okay!
In case of rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask and pull it towards you. Put it over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band.
Ba na ginawa dito?
Parang ganyan lang.
Naubos siguro ng 720 na sa
Yeah.
garlic rice.
So this was the ferry ride going from Dumaguete to Siquijor. Hindi Ocean Jet ang kinuha namin, pero kung Ocean Jet ang kukunin nyo, around 300 pesos per person. Okay naman, mabilis lang, around 40 to 45 minutes, nandun na kayo. And when you arrive, you will be welcomed by this beautiful view of the clear waters of Siquijor. Yun lang. Hello! Kakarating lang namin dito sa Dolce Amore ni Liza Soberano Hotel dito sa Siquijor. This is in San Juan, Siquijor, no? So as you can see, kitang-kita nyo na hindi ako hulas.
O 'di ba? Hindi ako oily, hindi ako pagod. It's just mindset lang yan, mindset, sabi nga nila. And we're just having our third meal of the day. 3 a.m. nag-start na kaming bumiyahe waiting at the airport. But now this is our third meal while waiting for our check-in. Um, Mabilis lang to. This is now is like around 11. We still need to wait for 2 to 3 hours for the check-in. Hello. So ayun na nga po, ang mga tsuhin at tiyahin nyo ay nagbakasyon na. Tapos na nandito yung aming tiyahin, pinaka-tiyahe. Oh, ganyan talaga. Magzuzumba pa yan mamaya sa basketball court. Yan, sa mga tiyahin, mag-OOT din na. Outfits of the day. Wow! So, around 3 p.m., after namin mag-freshen up, mag-rest a bit, after ng check-in, we decided to go to Paliton Beach. Kasi yun yung pinakamalapit na beach. Very chill yung place. Magbabayad ka lang ng 20 pesos for environmental fee. Parang yun yung entrance mo. Pwede ka na tumambay doon by the beach. Music kayo or kain kayo. Sa tabi-tabi may mga kainan naman. Nagpansit canton lang kami. And then mango shake. Tapos ito yung mga katabi namin. Habang kumakain kami. Mga manok. So yeah, very chill yung environment. And then after that, we decided to go to a different area naman. So we're going to Pitogo. Sa Pitogo Cliff naman, walang entrance fee, walang environmental fee, pero mayroong entrance fee na 30 pesos. Tapos kung may dala kayong transpo, may 10 pesos for parking. Very maliit lang yung place. It's giving us Ubud vibes sa Bali. Ang ganda ng cliffs, yung view ng ocean. Enjoy nyo lang, maganda siya. After Pitogo, we decided to eat somewhere near the bridge para mag-chill at mag-wait ng sunset. At syempre magmuni-muni, mag-moment. It's our second day in Siquijor. So what we did yesterday, chinika namin yung trike, yung driver ng trike na nasakay namin going to Paliton Beach. Tapos nun, tsaka papunta ng Pitogo Cliff. And then, kwentuhan namin, chinika namin, and voila, meron na kaming transpo. So, kinontrata na namin siya for the next few days. Mahalaga nga pala ang transpo sa Siquijor. Kung hindi kayo nagmumotor, kung hindi kayo marunong nun, dapat may transportation kayo. So, he assisted us. May kontrata lang sa pricing. I'll share the pricing later on. And we're on our way to Salagdoong Beach. Why are you scared? Doggy.
Okay. So, nag-adventure kami today with sana si Madam. Si Madam na mabagal sa likod. And Dom and Mean. And we're going here. Punta dapat kami ng secret beach pero nawawala na kami. So natakot na kami. Bumalik na kami kasi maksukal na yung gubat. So ibang beach na lang. Monkey Beach na lang po. Wait lang. Ayan. Minsan lang lumabas sa mga tsahin. So, ang mga tsahin, ayun muna. Yung isa doon, nagtatawag na ng bangkero. So, we trekked from there, mula sa baba. Doon talaga. Sa beach, paakyat. Medyo mataas yan. And meron pa dito. That's it. This was interesting and fun. This is pang tito. Pag-alis namin sa Monkey Beach, nadaanan namin tong isa sa mga oldest churches sa Philippines and oldest church dito sa Siquijor, which is called the Lazi Church. Hindi na kami pumasok to take photos or whatever kasi naka-shorts lang kami, parang hindi naman maganda pumasok kasi simbahan siya. But it was really nice and very beautiful outside. So, we're heading to Salamanda's restaurant in Coco Grove. Time for lunch. For lunch, squash soup, chicken schnitzel, yan po, chicken curry. We're dining at Wakanda Forever. Weird lang, Wakanda yung name. Tapos, may mga Spanish food. Pero, ako lang naman yun. Kasi nasanay ako sa Black Panther. But anyways, ito yung food namin. Yan lang yung food namin. Share na kami lahat dyan.
For sure.
Appetizers pa lang. Ayan. This is Madam. It's her treat today. Treat niya kasi nakakuha siya ng 12 photos na pwede niyang gawing calendar for the rest of the
Hindi
year.
naman, kulang pa.
For 12 nga lang eh. Pwede na yun. For
Wala pang 12 yun.
White Castle. So, move over. So, si Madam Mean. Ganyan. Si Dom. Move over Banks Garcia. Ay, ang tagal na niya yata model. Kung sino man model ngayon.
June.
Ito pa yung isang food, chicken Milanese. Ang sinuggest ko yan kasi sa Italianis, maraming chicken Milanese. Hindi ko naman alam na chicken Milane lang. Kasi kung Milanese, plural na yon.
Plural.
Isa lang
Wait.
So, ayun na nga. Dapat hindi chicken Milanese, dapat chicken malamok. Kasi malamok dito. Tapos, sino yung katabi ko? Char. Damit lang yan.
Talagang
Ayan, kompleto na ang food. Hindi namin alam patatas party pala to. Croquettes, gawa sa patatas. Spanish omelette na may patatas. Patatas bravas na merong bravas. And chicken milanese or chicken malamok na may isang french fries. Ay, isang french fries. Boblocks. Yun lang. So, it's a patatas kind of evening for us. And the titas are taking photos. For the IG. For the for the boomerang. Boom. Ang tanda ng boomerang. Uy, ang tanda daw, Liz. Char. Love you.
That was not my idea.
Pababa na kami sa popular Kambugahay Falls.
Medyo mahaba-habang lakaran siya pababa at paakyat syempre. Around 150 plus steps yata pababa. Okay naman, hindi naman ganun kahirap. Medyo madulas lang. Pero once you see it, it's really nice. So this is how it looked like. Hindi na kami gumawa nung famous na fairy walk nila kasi marami namang tao tsaka maraming gumagawa nun. Okay na kami makita lang tong magandang gawa ng nature na ito. Siyempre, dahil may extra time, magpapa-human drone na tayo kay Kuya. Kagaya nung nakita nyo kanina. Yan yung sample ng pag-human drone ni Kuya. Support na rin local tourism by supporting the people there. After that, we went to another falls. Hindi ko na alam kung anong tawag nito. After this, actually, hindi na ako naka-record. In-enjoy ko na lang talaga yung moment. Sorry! So like what I said, hindi na ako nakapag-record for the rest of day 3. Afternoon, kinabukasan, pumunta na kami ng Dumaguete. And the first thing we had to do, we had to dine in at this very nice restaurant called Cafe Maria. So let me give you a tour of it.
So, nandito kami sa Cafe Maria. It's a really nice place here in Dumaguete. Yan, medyo malayo-layo siya pag pupuntahan mo. Pero ang nice kasi old house. I think I'll show you clips of the whole place. But it's really nice. Yung feels niya. Parang ang ganda kung may ganito kang bahay in the province. So, ayan. This is my authentic puyat face and old face. Hindi pa nakaka-shave. And yeah, I'll show you videos of the place.
After that, we decided to walk and check out yung parang bayside area nila. May mga tiangge, tapos may mga students or kids who play sports. So, very calm and very fun naman yung area.
So, mag-isa na lang ako sa hotel. Ako yung nagpahuli. Mag-prep. Sila nagbe-breakfast na. And we'll be leaving Dumaguete in a few hours. It has been a very adventurous 5 days, past 5 days. It was fun with friends. And we're going back to Manila.
Hello! So I just came back from a 5-day quick vacation with my friend. So pumunta kami ng Siquijor, Dumaguete. 4 days sa Siquijor, overnight lang sa Dumaguete para hindi kami magmadali the next day pag flight na namin. So as you can see dun sa mga videos that I shared, Siquijor was a surprise. It was charming in and of itself. It was very inviting, friendly yung mga tao, maganda yung paligid, malinis, hindi mabaho, um, hindi makalat, very raw. Yun yung na-feel ko dun sa experience ko sa Sikihor. And then I went there kasi without any expectations. I know yung mga popular sites, I saw photos, videos, TikToks of whatever it is that people do in Sikihor. Pero hindi ko siya tinatak sa isip ko. It was more of like, surprise me. Parang ganon. Yun yung atake doon. And I really had fun. Na-surprise ako sa charm niya. Ang ganda ng beaches, ang ganda ng nature, falls, ang daming greens. Masarap ang pagkain, medyo mahal lang daw sa mga kinainan namin. And generally, it was a nice experience. I might go there again, but probably stay in one area lang in the future. But not anytime soon. I think okay pa naman ako. If you're looking for tips, well, my vlog is not like that. Hindi siya yung parang travel vlog na pumunta kami dito, ito yung ginawa, whatever. But just to give you general tips, I think plan ahead. Kung pupunta kayo ng mga waterfalls, mga coves, plan ahead kung saan ba yung mga lugar na yun. Kasi for example, may maganda kami napuntahan na beach, yung Salagdoong Beach. Medyo malayo siya, like an hour away from where we stayed near San Juan. So, what if pupuntahan mo pala siya tapos dun sa plan mo, yung susunod mong pupuntahan is medyo malapit where you are staying, like yung sa amin. What if magfo-falls pala kami or whatever after that, edi magkabilang dulo yon. So plan ahead really. Visit ang ginawa ng friend ko na nagplan for our itinerary. Pinlano niya na yung mga magkakalapit na lugar, yun yung let's say nakaset for one day at first day, and then sa second day mga falls naman and stuff like that. So plan ahead. And then yun, prepare din if pupunta kayo ng falls, make sure you have correct footwear, maayos na pananamit. Ako very simple lang naman palagi. Basta may itim na damit, obviously, okay na yan. And dahil nga alam ko na may falls, yun, I brought like slippers or anything na alam kong kaya kong ipangharabas sa mga falls. Dahil nakapagpunta na rin naman ako ng mga ganun before, kapag trek, akit ng bundok before, alam ko na mahirap siya. Lalo na dun sa case namin na umulan pa the day before. So medyo may mga, hindi naman super ulan, like nung morning pala, umulan. So may mga possibility talaga na madulas yung mga dadaanan. So always be ready. Bring cash with you kasi karami na establishments cash lang, konti lang yung pwede yung ATM or debit. For example, out of like let's say 7 na napuntahan namin, 2 lang yung pwede yung credit card or debit. So bring cash with you and maghanap kayo ng contact for transpo. If hindi kayo marunong magmotor, motor would be the easiest way ng transportation sa Sikihor. But like our group, walang marunong magmotor sa amin kahit isa. Or feeling ko kung marunong man ako, I wouldn't dare. Natatakot ako pag gano'n. I always want to be extra careful. But that's just me. So maghanap kayo ng contact for transpo. Thankfully, nung first day namin, nung may binisita kaming beach, Paliton, meron kaming nasakyan na trike. And kinausap ko, gano'n naman ako palagi, to know about the area and then to check kung saan pwedeng mag-rent and whatever. And eventually, yun nga, si kuya pala ay available for like driving you around the areas. So, chinag naman niya itinerary namin, anong mga pupuntahan namin. Tapos, sinabi namin sa kanya and then what his suggestions were. And yun, for the rest of the couple of days na nandun kami, like every day, sa kanya na lang kami. Yun nga lang, medyo additional lang talaga yun sa budget kasi if hindi mo binudgetan yung transpo, magugulat ka talaga. Kaya lang, why would you not budget the transpo if you're traveling? So, but anyways, yun, so you have to be prepared sa transpo, you have to be prepared with cash, you have to be prepared with yung mga dadalhin mo, and of course, an open mind and an adventurous heart. Kasi, gano'n naman lagi pag travel. It was very nice. Chill lang. No pressure, wala masyadong bonggang kailangan gawin. Just enjoyed the place and the company of the people I care for. And I hope you get to have that time as well. Travel, paminsan-minsan, kung kaya. Ang principle ko now kasi is hindi ako magtitipid pag magta-travel ako. If kailangan ko magtipid, it means hindi ako dapat mag-travel. So, kailangan budgetan ko yan. So, what me and my partner do, gumawa kami ng parang time deposit sa Maya. So, dun kami nagsiset. Let's say may travel kami. Well, dalawa yung sa akin. Meron ako for personal travel goals and meron ako yung sa aming dalawa. So, dun lang, nag-add-add lang. So, every time may mga costs, kaya mabilis din kami nakakapag, let's say, plan for, nakaka-purchase ng airfare or nakakabayad ng mga hotels and whatnot because of what we're doing. So, I think it's been helping us. And yun lang naman. So, that was a very fun trip and I really enjoyed it and I'm looking forward to the next few months kasi kalahati na pala ng taon. Who would have thought? By the time you're watching this video, baka July na kasi sobrang na-late na ako sa mga vlogs ko because of busyness. Pero may mga nire-ready na ako, niluluto ko na yan sunod-sunod. But that's it. So looking forward to sharing more of my experiences, more of my diaries, Manila diaries, weekly diaries, saan man yan. Telling you stories about my life so far and how I've been meeting my goals. So far ngayon, na-meet ko yung goal ko in enriching my heart and showing gratitude to the people that I care for the most. And of course, personal and mental health goal of taking care of yourself by taking time to rest. And hopefully, magawa niyo rin yun one of these days. That's it. Thank you.